at here is a normal modular power supply, right?
Normally modular, yeah. You can see all the connectors here.
Like, those haven't, like, when did modular power supplies change last? Or when did power supplies change?
I can't remember.
Like 17 years ago or something?
Yeah, a long time ago.
Our idea is, or the general idea behind Dockpower is, to completely revolutionize the way that people build PCs and the way people do stuff.
Yeah.
Because if you're looking like small cases, like Tower 250 as an example.
Yeah, mini ITX builds, micro ATX builds. For me, normally I like to plug in the cables, put it into the case. Some people put the power supply in first and then put the cables, but when you do that, you can have to bend the cable.
Exactly.
It's not enough room inside the chassis, so you got a new way of doing this. So show us.
Yeah. So, right, normal unit, the way it would be installed. You have like this one little screw that comes off, and then
okay, and this whole thing comes off.
The whole thing comes off.
Oh wow! Okay.
So this is like.
So this is almost like a plate, yeah.
Exactly, and then it's connection just in here.
Yeah, and then you have all the connectors, PCI connectors, ATX power connectors, even the 12V 2x6 connectors. This is a separate plate with, of course, the circuitry in there, and of course the connector which connects to the power supply connector right here. So this is very unique. And tell us more.
So the idea is, right, you're starting at 750.
Right.
Because you have a small system.
Yeah.
Right? You put it together, you end up buying a new graphics card like further down the line.
Yeah.
Instead of redoing all your cables.
The plate's already there.
Yeah.
You just need to buy the beefed up power supply to match up your hardware later on if you want to do an upgrade, right?
You're just buying the new main unit.
Yeah.
That's the idea further down the line. So far, like first release, they're coming with the plate and the
idea.
cables.
So yeah, that's really very revolutionary.
Right?
Yeah.
And like CEO Kenny has been saying, this is the third generation of power supplies. Like this is where the future is going.
Okay, I get you. So this plate never changes because all your cables are there.
Yeah.
You don't want to mess around with your cables. You just need to change this unit to a beefier one like 850 or 1000 or even a 1200 watt. Yeah. So all you need to do is unscrew here, which Fabian just showed us, and then it unlocks, just pull it apart, and then just replace it with another one, with the beefier power supply. All right, so this is not a concept, this is almost for sale, right? Almost
this is
ready?
Gonna be, I think, for sale in Europe, August.
Oh, Q3?
Yeah.
Wow, that's fast.
Yeah.
Q3?
And even if you're thinking like, oh, new innovation is going to be like super expensive, it's maybe like
got them in the black and the white.
Yeah, exactly. It's going to be like 5% over normal MSRP for other gold power supplies that we have.
Yeah.
So it's very little. It's like a couple euros at best.
And you also come with all the cables, the threaded cables, the braided cables.
Higher quality of cables as well, like on top of everything.
And these ones will probably be the gold standard.
Yeah, like it's already 80 certified. Yeah. As far as I know, it's already at Cybernetics as well to be tested. And you know, like big open area for the fan and everything. So all the complaints that people used to have every once in a while are being addressed.
Yeah. That's a super good idea. I'm sure it will probably be a lot of other competitors doing something similar, but you guys...
We filed the patent.
All right, there you go.
It's still pending, the approval, but it's already been filed, like, I think, worldwide.
So you got the rights to it, so that's it. I mean, this is a really good idea. I've never thought about that, but yeah, for sure. You know, this is the way to go ahead. I hate messing around with the cables. Yeah. In this way.
I think everyone does.
Yeah, makes it much easier.